Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested video. Almost 200 of you guys gave my unboxing a thumbs up to indicate that you all wanted to see a what fits. So if you have not checked out the unboxing video, I will put a link below so you can check out that video and my first impressions of the bag. As if you are interested in seeing what fits in my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather small Hattie, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first let me share with you the bag that I am carrying today and switching out of. This is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium satchel in the color light taupe. Absolutely love this color. The red zipper is my very favorite accent of this bag. So let me just share with you very quickly what I am carrying on the inside. And this time I just have a very large cosmetics case, and this is the larger of this style. So I have it packed to the max. So here is the large cosmetics case, and then I just have my wallet, and this is the Dooney Bourke fold over wallet, and this is the ostrich leather in the color oyster gray. I do have a matching wallet for this bag, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit, so I decided to pull out my flap fold over. And then the only thing else I have in here is my keys. You guys know I am one of the ones who use the key keeper, and here are my keys. So let's go ahead and do the switch. Okay, so the bag again that I'm going to be switching out of is the medium Florentine leather satchel in light taupe, and I am going to be switching into the small Hattie in the color salmon. Okay, so here she is guys, and I do not think the camera is doing this color any justice at all. I'm not quite sure how it's going to come off after the recording, but it is more of a coral type color. I wouldn't necessarily call it salmon. It is a little bit too bright to be called salmon in my opinion. But just a few features of this cute little bag. It does have an adjustable strap here where you can adjust it either shorter or longer depending on your preference. It is the 3-part strap where you can take out the middle piece and convert it into a short shoulder. So just one small issue, I know this isn't a review, but that I have with these style bags, even the pebbled leather crossbody styles, is that the strap does not have a keeper on it. So over time your little strap here starts to dangle and it doesn't look very nice. And I think I have a solution for that. I did have my leather lady try to create a keeper for some of my bags, but it didn't quite work out. It worked, but it didn't look very neat, so that wasn't an option that I wanted to go with. So she's going to try something else, and I have her working on that now. So as soon as I get that bag back and take a look at it, I will share it with you if it is something that I think would work. So the Hattie bags has the continuous drawstring like the Buckley bags. Normally it has a split right here, but with these bags it's continuous all the way around the bag. So Florentine does, it has the green suede on the inside, and this bag is lined with leather on the inside. Very light color, very lightweight. It's a little bit on the thinner side, but it still is very, very beautiful. So one thing that makes the Hattie special is that it has the logo lock on one side. You can have the Dooney Bourke side here, or you can have the duck side, which is the side that I normally prefer. She does have 4 feet on the bottom, She's a very slender bag, which is one of my favorites about this style crossbody, is that it lays very nicely against the body. It does have a key keeper. So one other thing, again, this is not a review, but another thing that I don't particularly care for on this bag is how this logo lock stands up. I don't know, guys. I like the design, but I don't like the functionality of this. You always will have to kind of push it down if you want to have your bag just standing like this, or you will just have this awkward look here, and with the strap here hanging off, that just makes it kind of unappealing. Don't get me wrong, I do love the Hattie, but these are just a couple of the things that stood out to me when reviewing the bag. It has the leather patch logo here on the front, and it also has this beautiful yellow stitching that we all love. So the drawstring is very nice and smooth to open, and it opens up to this cute little bag. So now let's get into what fits. So I went from this large, very large cosmetics case. As you can see, it is larger than the Hattie, and my flap fold over wallet, but I'm going to be attempting to put in my Dooney Bourke 1975 Shiny It wristlet, my Dooney Bourke 1975 small cosmetics case, and for just a small pop of color, my Kiss coin purse in the color plum wine and the ostrich print. Okay guys, so let's see how all of this is going to fit. I have my travel wipes. Let's see how that will fit in. I have my Chic Sparrow little pocket planner. I have my large sunglass case. I have my work badge that I have in this little zip coin pouch. Some sunscreen lip gloss. I'm going to put that in there. I have some Josie Maran whipped argan oil. Let's try to put that in there. And let's see, I have some floss. I have some lip gloss. And let's see, I have my Bare Minerals face powder. I have Lysol that I always take with me, so I think I'm going to have to move some things around. So let's see. I don't think this has one of the smaller pockets. Nope, so I won't be able to put my face powder in that pocket. Let's see, and then I have another argan oil, so I don't know if that's gonna fit. I have my flash drive for work, so I need that. I have my headache meds, definitely need that when I have a headache. And I have some emery boards, and you guys, I have my emery boards in the makeup brush covers that we use as the tassel covers, only because I don't want this roughness messing up the inside of my bag or my cosmetics case, so I use that for that. And then, let's see, I have some hand sanitizer, and I don't think that is going to fit. So let me see what I can take out. Let's see, I'm going to take out this face powder because I don't necessarily use that all the time, so I can do without that. So I'm going to put my Lysol, and then I'm going to put my sanitizer, and let's see what else I have in here that I want to add. And then I have my roses that came from my grandmother's grave. I still have these guys. They are just some dried roses that I took and laminated, and I keep this with me everywhere I go in her memory. For the rest of this, I think I am going to put it in the Kiss coin purse. So this zips up perfectly. So this I plan to use as just like a little tech case, and I am going to put my portable charger here, and then I have my charger cable, and I also have that in one of the makeup brush covers just to keep it nice and tidy. So I'm going to put that there, and then here's the bulb, so I just put the bulb in there, and then I was extra, so I had another phone cord, but I'm not going to put that in there. And then as you can see, this holds all of my tech items, closes up nicely. And I have already switched over my wallet, and I am just going to add my dried roses in here. So here we have our wallet. Here is my sunglasses, and here is my little journal. So now the test, let's see how it all fits. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to put in is my Kiss coin purse, and I'm going to put that right in the front. And then I am going to go in with my cosmetics case, and I'm going to put that right there. You guys, this is a small, so it's not going to be able to hold the larger cosmetics case. And then I'm going to go in with my wallet here, and as you can see, it fits in here with ease. Next I'm going to go in with my little journal, and I'm just gonna, I normally don't like items going crisscross this way and that way, but for the sake of the video, I'm just showing you what fits. And then I can take my sunglass case and I can put that on top like that. And as you can see, there is still plenty of room up top if you wanted to put gloves or a sweater, or if you are sightseeing, maybe a camera or something like that. You still have lots of room. So I just want to show you if a phone will fit in here. This is a iPhone Max Plus S or something like that, but it's the larger of the iPhones, and I can already tell you that it won't fit in the back pocket, and it will not fit in the front slip pocket, so you will probably have to slip it in the back. And as you can see, it almost takes up the full length of the bag, but it does fit. And you guys, this is a nice cute little on-the-go bag if you are looking to run some errands, or if you are on a shopping trip or a cruise or anything like that. I think the small Hattie is perfect. Okay, so if you wanted to carry a bottle of water, you could, but you might have to move some things around. Let's see, let's take our phone out. Let's take our journal out. We can keep the sunglasses, but let's just kind of move it around a little bit. So if you wanted to, like I said, here is the bottle of water, and that also kind of gives you an idea of the height of the bag. And then we can just put our sunglass case right back here on the top, and as you can see, it is packed, and honestly it is not that heavy. And then you just pull the string, secure it, and here you have what fits in the small Hattie. So the question I always ask myself is, would I purchase this bag again? Absolutely. Even though it does have these couple of little items that could be a nuisance, but I have a fix for this one, and I'm going to attempt to try it to see how it works out. And the clasp here, it is what it is, but I will purchase this bag again. So anyway guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.